Today what I'm doing is renewing the rear lights. So I've taken the old cluster off of the back, and you can see this plate is what they're attached to, and I've had to drill new holes to take the LED lights. So on the other side here I've just pushed in the thing so it just sits there and nuts do up on underneath. This is the LED light unit, and I've got a bit of trailer 7-core wire that I'm going to attach across. So this is going to be the left hand light, so I just need a wire going across to the right hand lights, and then I can join them all together. So the other day I was saying about using these solder shrink fit things, and this is what they are, and that makes a nice permanent connection. Can't get water in there, it won't rust or corrode, so that's a nice permanent connection. The way that you use these heat shrink connectors is bare a little bit on the wire at each end. That's the heat shrink connector. Shove it to the middle on that side, into the middle on that side, and then I've got a hot air gun, and you start by just heating either side, and those red little bands tighten on the wire, and then keep on heating it from either side. Until you see the solder flow, and there we are. That's a nice permanent connection. So there we are, that's the LED lights all fitted. Obviously I'll need to repaint the plates that are on, but I've managed to put an extra plate on for the number plate, and there is underneath this particular light there is a number plate light on the underneath of the LED, and then around the back here it's all been connected up and across.